Hey everybody, Luxinda Swirl here. Okay, as promised, I am going to get right to a project, or the main project, from the Resin and More May 2021 box, subscription box. We have our cutting board mold, which using the water method takes about 20 ounces to fill this mold completely. So I'm not going to make up that much, say 18 ounces, and I'm going to divide that into 6 different cups, 3 ounces in each. Then I'm going to mix in these 6 things. In 1 cup, I'm going to mix in I believe this was called grape, purple, really pretty, ultra fine. Then we're going to do dark magenta mica in another, and the pink mica in a 3rd cup. In a 4th cup, we're just going to use the gold flakes, and I'm not going to put too many in. In the 5th cup, we are going to use the pink flakes, or foil sheets, or whatever's actually in here. It may be 1 sheet all crumpled in there, I don't know. Anyway, I'll pull some out, I'll mix it in some resin, but I'm also going to add in a little Pink Lady alcohol ink from Woody's Goodies, whoops, just so I don't end up with 2 clears with flakes. So this one will be a pink translucent with flakes. And then on the last cup, the 6th cup, I'm going to use the pearl pigment dye in gold and yellow. So this will be a gold. I'm going to mix those up and put them in the mold, and we're going to see what we get. So sit back and enjoy the show. And we're back. All right, this turned out looking pretty cool. I also ended up with a lot of extra resin from this and another project, so I filled these up. We'll unmold those as well. But let's start with our cutting board. I made a real mess, in case you couldn't tell. So I have resin all over everything. But that's, you know, I didn't know how that combination of colors and colorants was going to look, because honestly, it doesn't look very great to me in the cups or just sitting out in the packages, but that looks pretty neat. I'm very interested to see what's on the other side. Well, I used the one glitter, the really ultra fine grape purple glitter, so I don't know. We'll see. All right, here we go. Dun, dun, dun. Oh yeah. Well, that made it gorgeously sparkly, didn't it? Look, grape sparkles. Those stupid flakes don't look very good on that side. They look much better on this side. So I think even though you're not supposed to put demolded pieces back into the mold to do an extra layer, because you've broken the eye, you meaning, you know, whoever's doing it, not you specifically, because it breaks the seal that was created when you poured the mold. So theoretically, resin can seep down underneath, down the sides and underneath, because it's not, you know, locked in place anymore. But truth be told, I'm going to do it anyway. I think it'll be minimal. I will press everything. I'm just telling you this so you know I think this is possible. I think this will provide enough of a barrier that if I pour an ounce or two of clear resin here and I push it out to the edges, it's probably not going to go anywhere. It certainly won't go off the side. If a little bit of clear seeps down over the edge, honestly, I don't think it'll bother me a whole lot. You really shouldn't be able to see it. So I will do that. I'm not going to do that as part of this video. I'm going to end this video here because you've seen the board. You've seen what both sides look like. I think it turned out very pretty. Like I said, I will add a protective layer on this side just because I have a lip now all the way around from when it set up last night. But other than that, I mean, that looked really cool. That turned out way, way better than I expected. All right, so let's demold our extras and see what those turned out like. This was a partial I had done a long time ago when I had some extra white. And then last night, I mixed some black into the leftover resin I had. And I thought, well, this will be interesting. So I poured the remainder in here. So we'll get a black and white conch shell trinket tray out of this, or trinket bowl. That's kind of cool looking. So the white is a very faint pearlescent white, mostly, well, opaque, with a little bit of pearlescence. It's too bad I got a bubble hole there, but that's okay. Again, this is an overflow piece. I think that turned out cool. Okay, and then this is one of the cute little animal molds I got recently. I mean, they're literally called cute animal molds. So I believe this is the elephant or effluent, as we say. And this should have some interesting layers in it. Oh yeah. Very interesting. There he is. So put him sideways. You see that? Cute little effluent. So he's a party on top and all serious black on the bottom. And a fascinating collection of, oh, I see, that's part of the design. That's his eye? No, those are his eyes there. I don't know. Under eyelids? Who knows? What, that is fascinating. I think somewhere in here there's some glow in the dark, maybe? I don't have my UV light. Let me go get that. We'll do a quickie test on that, and then we'll end this video. Hang on a sec. Okay. So I think what this isn't glow in the dark powder. This is changes color under sunlight, or it should change color with UV. I think it goes to blue or purple, something like that. It's a solar color dust resin I had left over from a cup I did recently. So let's see what happens when I shine the UV on it. Oh yeah, get some orange. And there's some purple. I'm not sure I see any blue. Oh, yep, maybe that's blue there. Yep, that's blue there. Well, that's pretty cool. So blue, purple, and maybe that's supposed to, I didn't make up any orange, so that must be magenta. I don't know. But that's cool. That's very cool. So we have our charcuterie board with colorants from the May 2021 Resin and More box. We have a cute little changes color in sunlight, sorta in a spot or two, leftover resin pour elephant. And we have a black and white trinket tray in the shape of a conch shell. Very pretty. Alrighty. Thanks everyone. Stay safe. I'll see you in the next video.